If you thought black pepper was only meant for cooking, it is time to think again. Have you ever sprinkled it in front of your door, along your windowsills, or even under your bed? This simple yet powerful household trick can help prevent a variety of common problems. Start by grinding 1 tablespoon of whole black peppercorns. You can use pre-ground pepper, but freshly ground pepper has a much stronger aroma and works more effectively. Let me know in the comments which country or city you are watching from. I always enjoy seeing where viewers come from and connecting with people around the world. Place the ground pepper into a small bowl. First, sweep and clean the area near your doorway. Then, lightly sprinkle a thin layer and gently spread it so it is not too visible. At the end, I will also share a bonus tip. You can use the same method near windows or underneath your bed. You may be wondering why this works. The strong scent of black pepper is highly irritating to rodents such as mice and rats. Their sense of smell is extremely sensitive, and the intense aroma can disturb their breathing and sense of direction. When you apply pepper to entry points and cracks, they tend to avoid those areas. In addition to discouraging rodents, pepper can also help repel ants, cockroaches, and other small insects. The advantage is that this is a natural solution that does not rely on harmful chemicals. This method can also be useful outdoors. In the garden, pepper may help deter moles, especially if you mix it with water and pour it into their tunnels during dry weather. If neighborhood cats visit unwanted areas, sprinkling pepper can discourage them from returning. You can also make a simple spray using water and pepper and apply it to the places you want to protect. Now you know how an everyday spice can become a helpful ally in protecting your home and garden. If you found this tip useful, please support the video with a like, share it with others, and subscribe for more practical ideas. Thank you for watching, and I wish you a home free of unwanted pests.